Two cutting-edge AI tools, ChatGPT and Runway. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, ChatGPT, your AI assistant for text and conversation. And on the right, Runway, the platform pushing boundaries in AI-powered video generation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before we start, let's map this out. So, here's a mind map of all the categories we're going to look at: purpose, video generation, interactivity, cost, and customization and integration. It's going to help keep things super clear as we go from scene to scene. Okay, let's kick off with purpose. First up, ChatGPT. This one, honestly, it's a legend for text-based stuff. Like seriously, if you need writing, brainstorming, or chatting, it's your go-to. But yeah, if you want video magic, that's not really its thing. Now, Runway? Oh, and here's something cool. It's all about advanced video generation. You get AI magic tools, which sounds pretty epic, but there's a catch. The learning curve is kinda steep if you're brand new. So both tools totally ace their core purpose, just in different worlds. Gonna call this one a tie. Moving on to video generation. Let's be honest, ChatGPT can help with prompts or scripts, but actual video generation, not gonna happen. Like, it just doesn't do that. Runway, though, this is where it shines. You've got AI magic tools for video editing, plus text to video and image to video. So, yeah, pretty powerful. One thing, though, their credit-based pricing, honestly, it can get a little confusing if you're not careful. But all in all, Runway takes this round hands down. Next up, interactivity. So ChatGPT, oh man, this is its playground. It chats, gives quick feedback, and honestly feels almost human sometimes. The only thing is, for super specialized stuff, sometimes it doesn't always get the context. Now with Runway, you've got complex AI apps, but it's pretty much a non-interactive interface. You tell it what to do, then cross your fingers. So for interaction and just that conversational vibe, ChatGPT wipes the floor here. Wait, just before we wrap things up, did you know AI tools are constantly evolving to offer more creative and interactive experiences? So, keep your eye out, because what's top tier today could get leveled up tomorrow. All right, time to take a look at cost. ChatGPT is actually kinda awesome. You can use it free for basic stuff, and if you need more, it's super affordable compared to most AI apps. Of course, there are some limits with the free version, but it's enough to get started. Runway, on the other hand, pricing is more predictable if you have a specific project, which is nice, but their whole credit system can get a bit, cryptic. So, if you're watching your budget, ChatGPT is way more cost-effective. Now, customization and integration. ChatGPT can actually be plugged into other tools using APIs. Pretty cool, right? But honestly, it doesn't let you twist and tune things for video stuff very much. Runway, though, and this is pretty exciting. It offers advanced camera controls and even hooks into Zapier for some wild workflow automation. Downside, the more you customize, the steeper the learning curve. But if you want to get creative and automate stuff, Runway totally wins this one. Here's a quick visual. Imagine a radar chart showing how ChatGPT and Runway score across each category. You'll see ChatGPT totally dominating in text and interaction, while Runway just explodes in video capabilities and customization. Pretty fun to look at, right? So here's my verdict. ChatGPT is your best bet if you're all about text and conversation. Runway, that's the move if you want to really crank out videos and play around with AI editing. Honestly, they're both kinda awesome. It just depends on what you actually need. So, hey, choose the tool that fits your creative needs best. Go check them out, whether you're writing your next article or making killer videos. Explore them today and unlock new possibilities.